Perkins. We're going to head up to Hawk's Nest, but there's a football game too. We've heard there's a West Point football game, so it leaves us not to have any idea where we're going. We don't even know where we're going. But then we never know where we're going. I guess they're inside having a cup of coffee. Charlie's MV. Charlie, what's yours? Yeah, that's a really rare Italian. When he starts, you listen to the engine. All gear drive cams, no chains or anything. Right. Yeah, it's a really cool bike. You can't fly a helicopter here without us knowing. Where do you go, Joe? This was a military helicopter went by here. Oh, we're up at Hawk's Nest. There's the train going by on the other side of the river. Joe's getting ready to jump. Ah, where's that couch that used to be here? Our couch, our couch. Look at this. Wow, is that nice?
They could stop it if they wanted to. Ugly ass bird going around the ground.
We're going to send one.
I hope he doesn't poop. Right on Charlie's MV. Oh my God, look at that. How awesome. Look at this, he's hovering. Wow.
One of us to die, so you can pick up.
Wow. Your life, you can check this off your bucket list. Impressed old geezers.
Right back there. That's what I want. Is it?
It's time for lunch. Bob Nivola has picked us out a good pizza place.
Let me ask.
This is the waitress. What's your name, sweetie?
Anna.
Anna.
Okay, listen, she wants to be on a windy video. Do you know what a windy video is? You never heard of it, right? Everybody knows. Okay, you want to be on a windy video. You're on a windy video now. I'm going to give you the address to look on YouTube. Next week, this is going to be on. And you're going to be famous. Yeah, you're famous right now. We get 15,000 hits every day. It's what 2 strokes do best and 4 strokes too. We use about 100 gallons of gas today. Now, if you're new to our channel, we have a very, very eclectic channel. One of the new features we have now is some of the videos are grouped into groups that you can access all the videos for one category in one mouse click. And it should be very convenient and very handy. Just check out the feature on the main screen playlist. And thanks to everybody for supporting the channel. We appreciate your support, and it makes this channel possible with all the things we do, the painting, the wheels, the polishing. And please take a second or two and hit the like button. And thanks everyone for watching.